Welcome. Let's begin a grounding and protection meditation with angel light. Go ahead and find a comfortable place to sit, ensuring that your tailbone, your root chakra, is on the floor. Let's begin by closing our eyes and taking in a deep breath in and out, allowing our body to relax. Our shoulders to release from our ears, our hands to fall gently in our lap, our legs and hips to release the tension. I want you to envision that you are sitting and connecting with the earth. From your root chakra comes beautiful roots that go into the earth and help ground you and protect you there. You feel the energy and love coming from that protection. And as you take a deep breath in, you notice that the green light, the green healing light from the earth, is about to return to you. As it touches your root chakra, you feel very calm and peaceful. As it moves to your sacral chakra just below your belly button, you feel a renewed sense of creativity. As you take another breath in, you bring the light up to your solar plexus, just below your rib cage. You begin to feel peace and love for yourself, continually being grounded. The next breath brings it to your heart, where you feel empathy and love for all, preparing yourself to work with clients. As your next breath in, bring it to your throat chakra, to where you will be guided by the angels on what to say and how to help them heal. Next breath in goes to your third eye to help trust your intuition with where the Reiki should go, what messages you should provide. And then breathing again, noticing that it goes out of your crown chakra. And as the green light goes out of the crown chakra and goes to the heaven, it turns into a beautiful white light. The beautiful white light goes up to the angels in the heavens. And you notice Michael there. Michael looks down and sends you a different light. This is his pink light of protection. The pink light allows messages, energy flows to flow in and out with only that which will serve you and your client. It will keep anything that is not beautiful and light and love from coming to you. As you take in a deep breath, you notice that the pink light, when it gets to his crown, when it gets to your crown, it decides to engulf your body. It begins to cover your entire head and shoulders, your arms, your torso, your hips, and your legs. This is your protection bubble during your Reiki sessions. I want you to sit here in meditation for a few moments, and then when you're ready, simply open your eyes and return to your assignment and do the journaling for this experience.